Good morning, it is 7 a.m. and I am awake naturally for once, so I'm actually going to do something today. Yeah! So I'm about to head to the markets and see what's what and talk to you later. Hey guys, so I'm now back home. Bought some plants. Gonna do some gardening. Gonna show you something that I think is pretty cool, which is how to make rainforest in a bottle. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've had the plants chilling in here with some water while I get ready. So you can already see what's gonna happen when it's done. But yeah, let's do some prep and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I haven't done the prep yet because I opened up the lid and look, it's a tiny, tiny little snail. Come on, focus, focus. Yeah, it doesn't wanna. But yeah, so tiny shell inside my little rainforest. Okay, now I'll do the prep. Okay, so first up, get some rocks or stones or, whatever, to put in the bottom. I stole some from the back garden and washed them a bit first so that the water's not as murky. Just for, appearances. It will hopefully settle and be clearer at the end anyway. Next step is to get your plants and take them out of the pots and put them into the bottle, and yeah, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so there we have it. They are now in. Obviously it gets a bit dirty as you put the dirt in, but then you can go and just wipe it all off, use a cloth or something and get it nice and clean if you want. However, I'm assuming that once it starts rainforesting up, the rainforest droplets will wash it down anyway. So it should be fine now. And yeah, show it in a couple days to see what it actually looks like. So until my next video, goodbye. Hi, I lied, I'm back. Okay, so I ended up wiping the inside of the bottle a little bit, and I also put in a little green frog. Anyway, see it. Little sculpture, little rainforest. Such cute, oh my god. Okay, now goodbye.